Hi guys, look at this beautiful place. I'm in Uga Escape in Sri Lanka. It's actually, to be honest, one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. I mean, look at that pond full of lotuses, and I'm just going to walk around with you. I'm a multidimensional being. I'm a starseed, I'm a healer, I'm a psychic, I'm a seer. And I would like to talk about today about letting go of the past, being in the present, and how you let go of the past. Okay, all right, I just walk with you around, and that will be one part of a lesson. Like yesterday, I want to give you just the very first example and just enjoy the view. And actually, being here is because I got an invite from a person, now I call him my friend, who said, hey, why don't you come here? And I said, I'm just 20 kilometers away, I'm just here close by. And he said, please come, be my guest. And I'm like, what? And normally, I mean, what is the very first thing what our brain does? Like, no, don't do it, something could happen. But that what happens? In that moment, when I think ahead, I'm in the present right now, right? I'm walking here, I'm fine, everything is okay. I mean, it's a beautiful, amazing environment. And it's 53 acres of land, and I just went for a horse ride. And all of that, I wouldn't have had it if I would have been in fear. Yes, my brain said, don't do it, it might be dangerous. Something could happen. But then I thought, okay, what can happen? If I come here and something goes wrong, I just leave, right? But if I don't try it, I will never know how it's going to be. And this is just amazing. I'm so happy I'm here. And yesterday, I went to I was supposed to go on a cave rock. Amazing, beautiful view. I will never miss this in my whole life. It's like almost an hour to walk up there. And it was raining. And when I was sitting in the tuk-tuk and it was raining, I was thinking, oh my gosh, no, if I go up there, it could be slippery, something could happen. And then I said, stop. And that's what you should do. Every time you're wandering around with your mind, you breathe in, come in the moment, come back into your heart, feel your body, breathe in and say stop. In your mind, you say stop. And then you say, hey, I have the ability to walk around, to be free, to be happy in life. And being happy means you know you're safe and you know you're protected. The moment when you are thinking and attracting fear thoughts, fear-based thoughts into your mind, into your life, that's when you attract the bad things. And wandering in the past is also about either you're still angry with someone, people in your past would tell you not to do something, or you're still following a certain guidance or structure from anyone. And you don't have to do that. You're an adult. You're grown up now. You can decide on your own what you want to do in life or not. So be in the present. Enjoy life. Know that you're safe. Even if you have lost your job, you have two hands. You can start again. I mean, how many millionaires started over again with 80 or 70, yeah? And they're starting a new life. Everything is possible. Just because you're 60 or you're 50, it doesn't mean your world is ending, right? So please enjoy life, allow yourself to be happy, and give yourself the chance to enjoy the life of the fullest. And just tell yourself, I'm open for new adventure, I'm open for miracles, I'm open for wonders, I'm open for the beauty of my life, for happiness. Thank you so much. Bye.